In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to correct image orientation for OCR in C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial on using IronOCR to fix image orientation. Today, we'll learn how to fix the orientation of images using IronOCR in C#. This is crucial for accurate text extraction during OCR. I've already installed IronOCR, so let's dive into the code and get started. So in the program.cs file, first you ensure you have IronOCR set up with your license key as shown in this code snippet. This step is essential to utilize IronOCR's features effectively. We begin by loading an image file, example.png, using OCR image input, and this will allow us to apply various transformations to correct the image orientation. Our first step is to rotate the image 180 degrees clockwise, and this can be done using IronOCR's rotate method. Rotating the image ensures that the text is the correct orientation for OCR processing. We then apply the deskew method to correct any skewing present in the image. Deskewing straightens the text lines, which is vital for accurate OCR. And finally, we scale down the image to 70% of its original size using the scale method, and this helps in reducing the image dimensions for better manageability. You can also export the modified images using the Save as Images method. So let's run the project and wait for the output. All right, so here are all the output images generated in this tutorial, and you can clearly see the results of the filters that we applied on these images. All right, that's all for this tutorial on how to fix image orientation for reading. By following these steps, you can enhance the readability of images for OCR. Feel free to explore these techniques further with all of your projects. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. If you'd like to get started with Iron PDF, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.